Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you how to set up the format for your final draft of your paper. So I'm just in my Google Drive, and I'm going to go over here to New, and I am going to select a new doc, create it. Okay. Give it a second while it thinks. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do is title it. And this is our collection 1 final draft. And then I'm going to put my last name. Okay, so then I'm going to come down here to the body, and there are a few things that need to be set up before we go any further. The first thing is 12-point font. Google Docs defaults to 11-point, so you need to change that, and then you need to change your text to Times New Roman. That is the proper MLA. Okay, then over here under the line spacing, you want to put it at double spaced. So now we have Times New Roman, 12-point font, and it's double spaced. And we're good on basic setup. So then you're going to put a header, what's called a running header. And if you click at the top of your screen, it's going to open up your header. Now notice it changes the font on you again. So we need to fix that. And it starts justified left, which is over here on the left-hand side. We need it to justify right. Okay, and you're going to type in your last name. So if your name is John Smith, you're going to type in Smith. Okay, then a space, and then you're going to put in a page number here. So you click on options and you hit page number. And you want it to show on first page in the header, starting at 1. Apply. Okay. Now, you don't want to just simply type in 1, because if you do that, then it'll say Smith 1 on every single page instead of giving you a count. Okay, next thing you want to do is do your normal header, which is your name. So in this case, John Smith, your teacher's name. So that's either going to be Ms. Day, okay, or Mr. Crow, depending on who you have, okay? Then the name of your class. In this case, that's English 11, and the date. Now, the date has to be in the correct format. So if you are turning this in, well, we'll just go with the day I'm making this, which is the 24th. So we're going to go 24 November 2020. Notice the day of the week comes first, okay? After that, you're going to hit enter one more time, and then you're going to come up with a title. Okay, and this title is going to be centered. Now, it can be as simple as Collection 1 Final Paper, or get more creative. I encourage you to get more creative. Have your paper tell us something about your claim. Once you're done with that, make sure it justifies left again, hit tab in, and start typing your paper. Okay, now, when you get down and we've got my computer's having some trouble catching up with me. Got the body of our paper. The final thing that you're going to have is a works cited page. So you want to go up to Insert, and you want to hit Page Break. So you want to go to Break, hit Page Break, and then create a title, Works Cited. Okay, justify left. And then these have what's called a hanging indent. So the first line is normal, okay? All the way over at the left, no tabbing. If your citation happens to go to a second line, then you have to hit tab there and proceed to type whatever. That's called a hanging indent, okay? There's no extra spaces between paragraphs. There's no extra spaces between anything, okay? So you follow those instructions, you'll have your paper formatted correctly and be ready to go.